place your both hands just beside your chest, and your elbows should be touched with your torso, right? And hold this posture.
Everything is predetermined in this world. You just need to do your work. First, just check out your lifestyle and modify it according to your need. Wake up early in the morning and go for a walk, and then do some yoga session. If you can do so, then you will be free of any problem.
ওটা হচ্ছে কি আমার এটা খুব শখ
No viruses, no bacteria, no other particles can harm you. Nowadays, Omicron, whole world are concerned about Omicron. Till it is not clear how transmissible this Omicron is in compare with other variants of COVID like Delta, SARS, etc. Still, you need to take care about yourself by boosting your immune system. That is very vital. If you have a strong immunity system, then any viruses, any bacteria that will come to fight with you, then you can easily defeat them. So in this video, I am going to show you some basic, simple 3 or 4 yoga posture by performing which you can easily make yourself fit during this COVID situation. Whether it is Omicron, whether it is Delta, whether it is SARS, etc. You don't need to worry about that. You just keep yourself fit. You just increase your immune power, your immunity system. For that you need to digest your food well. All the micronutrients that you need to work properly, you can get it from your food only. So 4 basic asana to increase your immune system during this Omicron situation, along with 3 to 4 pranayama you need to perform. First is Kapalbhati Kriya. All you need to do is detoxify your body, because the toxin that you have with your food, which is accumulated inside your body, you need to eliminate that first. And the way is doing Kapalbhati Kriya. At least 10 to 15 minutes daily without miss. The Anulom Vilom is another to increase the oxygen level inside your body. Because every cell, every tissue of your body needs oxygenated blood, and for that Anulom Vilom, then Udgrid, Om chanting. And after lunch or dinner, right nostril breathing, Surya Vidhi Pranayama.
If you want to fight against COVID or new Omicron, then the primary thing is to boost your immunity system. The RBC means T cell, and for that, whatever you are eating, you need to digest that food well. And for that, after lunch or after dinner, you need to sit on Vajrasana and do right nostril breathing. How? I am showing you. Vajrasana, and now right nostril breathing. Only inhale from right nostril, exhale from left nostril.
along with Cobra pose, Bhujangasana.
Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Another one. Inhale. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Balasana. This is Cobra, Bhujangasana. You need to place your both hands just beside your chest and your elbows should be touched with your torso. Right. Now inhale and raise your head first. Inhale. Now slowly upper body. Inhale and hold this posture. Hold here. Do not straight your elbow. Just this is the perfect pose of Cobra. You need to stay in this position as long as you are comfortable with. Holding the breath or without holding the breath. You need to practice both. So this is Cobra, Bhujangasana. You need to perform to increase your metabolic rate. Exhale and down.
Downward facing dog with push up.
You need to stay downward facing dog, then roll your body and push up one. Right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roll. Push up. Downward dog. Again. Roll. Push up. Downward dog. Once more. Ready? Roll. Push up. Rest.
Vrikshasana, tree pose.
Along with Vrikshasana. First Tadasana. You see? Tadasana. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Once more. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 5 times you need to do. 10 breathe. Hold the breath for 10 seconds into 5 times is equal to 50 seconds. Now Vrikshasana. Place your leg, right leg, just touching the heel of your perineum. And now spine erect. Maintain the steady position. Now, in Anjali Mudra, place your both hands to increase your concentration, to make your mind cool and calm. Change your legs. Jnana Mudra. Place your both hands just beside your torso. Concentrate. Shivalinga Mudra. Place your left hand just on your navel and right hand on your left hand. This is Shivalinga Mudra. You can do one thing, you can chant Om Namo Shivaya.
All these things you need to practice properly. I hope that you have understood what I need to say. And that's all about today. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy. Signing off for the day. Take care. Bye bye. Lord Shiva bless you all. See you in next video. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते. Wish you a very happy New Year 2022. Make yourself fit by doing yoga and take care, please.
Switch off the camera, Lucy.